How to change location in Life360 app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Life360 app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change the location of your account in Life360 app, you need to make sure that you are in this location tab. Now over here, if you scroll it to the bottom, here you can see Manage Places option. Tap on it. Once you are in this Places page, you can change your location from here. You can add a completely new location to your account, or if you want to change your location of your home, you can tap on this home section. You can select any location from the map over here, or you can even type in the name of the location. You can type any locations that you want to change it to, and you'll see suggestions over here. You can tap on it, and once you're done selecting the location that you want to change it to, you can tap on this save option at the top right corner. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your location in Life360 app account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.